Iron Talk is brought to you by Case IH.
With the success of the Case IH Steiger Quad Track and Magnum Road Track tractors, it's no secret why Case IH is the leader of the track. So it wasn't surprising when the competition started imitating us, because Case IH offered the first 5-axle design to give you more power to the ground, with less berming and compaction, all to help you be more productive. Still, we're flattered. In fact, if we weren't already red, we'd be blushing.
Is it time for a new pump on your farm? I'll discuss something new that you'll want to consider in today's Iron Talk. The windows for getting jobs done on the farm seem to narrow each season. Take spraying, for example. There are only so many days where the wind is light, it's not raining, and the temperature is just right. If you have a problem with your sprayer, it not only costs you time, but it can absolutely cost you in yield loss. A study by Southern Illinois University found that up to 4.8 bushels of corn yield per acre can be lost for every inch of weed growth. With pigweeds growing as much as 2 to 3 inches in a single summer day, you can quickly see how much avoiding a breakdown is worth. My question today is, how often are you servicing your spray pump? I can speak for our farm that the pump is often taken for granted until there's a problem. That's why so many farmers are investing in the new Pentair Hypro Forcefield pumps. What's different? Well, this technology offers a centrifugal pump that utilizes a barrier fluid to keep the mechanical seal lubricated and cool to prevent failure. The seal chamber is self-regulating and actively maintains the proper pressure without need for inspection, maintenance, or input from the operator. This means more time being productive in the field and a better chance that you'll kill your weeds before they kill your yield potential. It also takes away stress, as the pump can run dry, allowing you to apply the full tank without mechanical seal failure, so you get a full cleanout at the end of the day. A great rainy day job this season may be to upgrade your pump and save time and money on repair and maintenance going forward. The Pentair Hypro Forcefield eliminates downtime, leading to more productivity and more yield for you. That's all for today's Iron Talk, and now back to the show.